Hello, my name is Robert Lunte. I'm the CEO of CourseCREEK. CourseCREEK is a boutique agency that helps authors, coaches, learning and development departments, and really anybody with a great idea monetize their expertise with digital assets such as courses, live training programs, and we also do the marketing of said programs. In the world of marketing and generating leads, I am a huge fan, based on my own personal experience, of LinkedIn automated outreach services. That is to say, a service that is designed to integrate with LinkedIn's Sales Navigator system and run nurturing sequences to attract the attention of your perfect avatar, your perfect client profile. Our agency offers the world's best platform for that kind of lead generation. The reason I like this style of outreach over any other technique is it's very genuine. People sometimes think that that approach isn't genuine. Well, it isn't genuine if your sequences are written poorly and it has sort of a bot-like vibe to it. But it doesn't have to be that way. With the automated LinkedIn outreach service, we're going to help you write your sequences for you. And we have a way of utilizing and leveraging this automation technology to ensure that when you're out there in front of your clients, it's genuine and sincere. Now, there's one very cool feature that is not available in any other system that does this, that we invented, we created this. We have integrated our LinkedIn outreach automation software with our CRM system called CourseCREEK Hub. So if you go to CourseCREEKHub.io, you'll be able to see a little bit about our lead generation automated CRM system. But here's the cool thing. Here's the kicker. Here's what I really wanted to share with you more than anything. And that is that if you're working through our LinkedIn automated outreach software, every name, email, and phone number and conversations that you create, all your activity in that software is automatically pulled into your CourseCREEK Hub sub-account so that you are literally capturing and owning your own leads from LinkedIn. In a sense, you're sort of bringing in the perfect profile of your clients that you've set up out at Sales Navigator into your own CRM system, where you can then manage those leads in any way, in any campaign that you want into the future. It's brilliant. It allows you to essentially own and control your own leads. Check it out, contact us, and we'd love to show you how it works. Thank you.